Imagine being able to walk into any room, whether it's a classroom, a cafe, or a company meeting, and instantly make people feel drawn to you, without saying a single word more than you normally would. Today, I'm about to reveal 7 psychology facts that can genuinely help you impress anyone, not by pretending to be someone you're not, but by understanding how humans are wired and using that knowledge with warmth, authenticity, and heart. So let's begin with fact number 1, the spotlight effect. The brain's tendency to believe everyone is intensely focused on us, how we look, how we speak, how we move, when in reality, people are far too wrapped up in their own inner worlds to notice the small things we stress about. Once you internalize this, confidence becomes more natural, because the pressure to be perfect fades, and suddenly you radiate a calm, grounded energy that people instantly gravitate toward. Fact number 2, the power of saying someone's name. Science shows that hearing our own name lights up unique regions of the brain tied to identity and belonging. When you use someone's name with care, not excessively but sincerely, you make them feel valued in a way most people rarely experience, and that emotional hit of recognition leaves a lasting impression. Fact number 3, the Ben Franklin effect. A psychological twist where doing a small favor for someone actually makes them like you more. It works because the brain assumes, if I help this person, I must care about them. So asking for a tiny favor, borrowing a pen, asking for an opinion, creates a subtle bond that feels surprisingly genuine. Fact number 4, mirroring. One of the most powerful nonverbal tools. When you naturally reflect someone's tone, posture, or energy, you signal safety and similarity, triggering the brain's trust circuits. The key is to be subtle, gentle, and real, because forced mirroring feels robotic, but sincere alignment feels like connection, and humans crave connection more than anything. Fact number 5, people remember how you make them feel. A truth rooted in emotional memory, long after conversations fade, long after names slip and details blur, the emotional residue you leave behind stays vivid. So when you show kindness, curiosity, and presence, even in small doses, you become unforgettable in the best way possible. Fact number 6, confidence is contagious, and not the loud, bragging kind, but the quiet, steady assurance that says, I'm comfortable with who I am. Humans evolved to follow calm leaders, not flashy talkers, so when you carry yourself with certainty, not arrogance, you inspire trust, and people instinctively lean toward you because you make them feel secure and grounded. And finally, fact number 7, vulnerability builds connection faster than perfection ever will. We live in a world where everyone is trying to look flawless, polished, filtered, and invincible, but the truth is that imperfections, our little stumbles, our nervous laughs, our honest moments, are what make us human. And when you share small, appropriate moments of realness, people feel invited to drop their own guard, which creates an emotional closeness that feels warm, memorable, and deeply impressive. When you combine all 7 of these psychology-backed insights, the freedom of the spotlight effect, the personal warmth of using names, the bonding magic of the Ben Franklin effect, the trust-building power of mirroring, the emotional imprint of kindness, the magnetism of calm confidence, and the beauty of vulnerability, you don't just impress people, you connect with them on a level that feels rare, refreshing, and profoundly human. Because at the end of the day, impressing people isn't really about showing off or being the smartest or smoothest person in the room. It's about making others feel seen, understood, and appreciated. And when you do that with an open heart, people won't just be impressed, they'll remember you, respect you, and want you in their world. And if these psychology facts opened your eyes even a little, remember this. You already have everything you need to make a powerful impression, you just needed the language to understand it. So take these insights with you, try them out in small moments, and watch how people begin to respond in ways that feel warmer, deeper, and more real. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little boost today. And hey, drop a comment telling me which psychology fact hit you the hardest. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep becoming the person you're proud to be.